Have you noticed this pattern? You fall asleep just fine, the house is quiet, the night feels peaceful, and then suddenly your eyes open. You look at the clock. 3:07 a.m. again. You sigh. You turn to one side. And maybe you whisper to yourself, why does this keep happening? If you're over 60, I want you to hear this clearly. You are not strange. You are not broken. And you are absolutely not alone. Many seniors wake up between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. Some blame their bladder. Some blame stress. Some simply say, well, I'm getting old. But aging alone is not the full story. Your body is changing, yes, but once you understand those changes, you can work with your body instead of fighting it. Let's talk about what's really happening. When you were younger, your sleep was deep and heavy. Think of it like thick curtains blocking out sunlight. After 60 or 70, those curtains become thinner. Your sleep becomes lighter. A small bladder signal, a slight change in temperature, even a passing thought, and your brain says, time to wake up. One major reason seniors wake at 3 a.m. is bladder sensitivity. As we age, the bladder does not stretch as comfortably as it once did. For men, the prostate may enlarge and create extra pressure. For women, pelvic floor muscles may weaken over time. Imagine your bladder like a smaller cup instead of a large jug. It fills faster and your brain reacts sooner. Even if it is not completely full, your body says, let's go. But the bladder is only part of the story. Around 3 a.m., your body naturally begins preparing for morning. A hormone called cortisol, your wake-up hormone, slowly rises before sunrise. When we are younger, it rises gently and quietly. As we age, it may rise a little earlier or a little stronger. That small shift can open your eyes hours before you want them open. Then there is the quiet mind. During the day, you are busy. At night, everything slows down. Thoughts that stayed quiet during daylight begin to speak. Finances, health, family, old memories. Even small worries can feel bigger in the dark. Once your mind becomes alert, your body follows. Now let's talk about what you can do. Simple, gentle adjustments. First, look at your evening drinks. You do not need to stop drinking water. Hydration is important. But after dinner, try sipping instead of taking large glasses. Avoid coffee, tea, or cola after early afternoon. Caffeine can stay in your system much longer than you think. Even a small evening tea may still be working at 3 a.m. Second, empty your bladder right before bed, even if the urge feels small. Think of it as giving yourself the best possible start for the night. Third, try a simple pelvic floor exercise during the day. Imagine you are gently stopping the flow of urine. Tighten those muscles for 5 seconds. Then relax for 5 seconds. Repeat this 10 times. Do it a few times each day. It may feel small, but over several weeks, it can strengthen control. Fourth, pay attention to dinner timing. Heavy meals late at night can disturb sleep. When blood sugar rises and then drops during the night, your body may release stress hormones. That can wake you suddenly. Try finishing dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. Choose lighter foods in the evening. Your stomach and your sleep will benefit. Fifth, dim the lights before bed. Your brain needs darkness to produce melatonin, the hormone that helps you stay asleep. Bright screens, overhead lights, or scrolling on your phone can confuse your brain into thinking it is still daytime. A soft lamp, quiet music, or gentle reading can help your body relax naturally. Now here is something very important. If you wake at 3 a.m., do not panic. Do not scold yourself. Looking at the clock and thinking, oh no, not again, makes your body more alert. Instead, stay calm. Take slow breaths. Inhale gently for 4 counts. Exhale slowly for 6 counts. Tell yourself, it's okay. My body is adjusting. Even lying quietly and resting is still helpful. If after 20 or 30 minutes you feel wide awake, get up softly. Sit in dim light. Read something peaceful. Avoid bright television or phone screens. When your eyes begin to feel heavy again, return to bed. This helps train your brain to connect bed with sleep, not frustration. Also consider room temperature. Many seniors sleep better in a slightly cooler room. Even lowering it by a small amount can make a difference. If your feet feel cold, warm socks can help your whole body relax. And remember this, waking once during the night can be normal. The goal is not perfect sleep like when you were 25. The goal is steadier, more comfortable rest. If you currently wake 3 or 4 times, reducing that to once is real progress. If nighttime urination is severe, painful, or comes with other symptoms, please speak with your doctor. Sometimes medication timing can be adjusted safely. Never change prescriptions on your own. You deserve peaceful nights. You have worked hard your entire life. Sleep should feel like restoration, not struggle. Aging does not mean losing comfort. It simply means learning new rhythms. If this message helped you understand your 3 a.m. wake-ups a little better, stay with Golden Rest Guide. Here we talk calmly and honestly about aging well, bladder health, sleep, strength, and simple daily habits that protect your peace. Before you go, tell me in the comments, what time do you usually wake up? 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. Let's talk about it together. You are not alone.